Hey, AJ Simon here, and welcome to day 8 of your bootcamp. Sorry for this taking so long. I've been very busy, and I've been trying to get everything wrapped up with Mark and everything. And so I decided that this video would be a little bit about sales conversions, because I know that sales are everything to internet marketers, affiliate marketers. If you're not getting sales, then you're not making money. So let's do an example. Let's say you have a sales letter, right? And you have, let's say, 100 visitors go to that sales letter. Now, out of 100 visitors, an average conversion rate would be about 1%. So if you're promoting something and you make like $10 per sale, you're going to make about 10 bucks. Unfortunately, most people will buy paid traffic to promote something like this. And then what happens is you end up spending more money on paid traffic than you made, right? So you spend like 35 bucks or 50 bucks or even 70 bucks to get 100 visitors, and what happens is you lose money. It's unfortunate, but that's just the case, right? So then people are like, well, then I'll promote high ticket. However, to get a high ticket sale, you need to send thousands of visitors, so you have a high ad cost starting out of the gate, right? So what you want is what's called a tripwire product, or a free offer, something that people can get in for free, check it out, see whether or not it's something they'd want to do, and then upsell them from there. So the idea is you send 100 clicks, right? It goes to the free offer. Let's say you get 30 people who consume the free information. Now, if your videos are good and you have training that people actually enjoy or they get some type of value out of, then you're going to get more like 10% sales, okay, for whatever it is that you're promoting. So you can turn a $10 product into 10 sales, right? So from 100 free members coming in. So if you had 30 people come in, right, so 10%, you'd have 3 sales, right? So you'd have 30 bucks. So if you spend $35 on traffic or whatever, then you'd be losing about $5. However, the key is you want to promote something that you're going to earn a residual commission on, so the next month you'll make back profit. However, $10 isn't going to cut it. You need something that's going to make you a bigger chunk of change per sale per month to make that actually work for you. So the idea is, with a tripwire offer or a free offer, you'd have them come in, they'd see whether or not they like you, and that's the idea. You want them to be able to be like, okay, well, this AJ dude, he's pretty cool, or this Stephanie girl, she's pretty cool, I like her, or this Michael guy, I like his videos, he was in construction just like me, right? Now he's telling me that he's making residual passive income using this system online. I'm interested, right? So 10% sales. Now, what if you got $47 per sale or $48 per sale? So you get the same 3 sales per 30 leads coming in, but you're almost making 150 bucks. So you're making like $146, about that, if my math is right. From that $35 or $50 ad spend, or even $70 ad spend, you made almost 150 bucks, right? Now you're in profit. This is where things get interesting, because now you have a residual commission. You have a 30% residual commission on most of these programs. So the next month, you're going to get 30% of whatever you made. So not only did you get profit right out of the starting gate, but now you get 30% the next month. Okay? So what if you could duplicate something like that, and all you really had to do was find affordable traffic to send to a free offer that provided the value for you, so you didn't have to try to pull people's arm and get them to buy what you're selling, because nobody wants to do that. I used to message like 100 people per day, and trust me, it's not worth it. It takes a lot of time. Your family starts to resent you, and it's unpleasant, and you don't really have a life. You become what's called like an internet zombie, and there's no real satisfaction in your business. And what happens is you become this person who's always posting about grinding online and creating more content to sell, but you're not creating any actual leverage, and you're not creating anything that's going to create freedom for you. So with that said, I invite you to check out what Mark and I have. It's going to create freedom for you. It's going to create passive residual income, and it's going to create those high sales conversion rates, sending traffic to these funnels. And by the way, we're launching more sales videos and more webinars to promote these, to offer more value, more insights, more tips, and more coaching, and more ways for our people to create more income and more leverage. So, that's it. I've really got nothing else to say. You see that crate back there? That's for my Origin PC. I just got it. I started a gaming channel, and I decided I wanted to start creating content online for that niche as well, which is pretty cool, right? But my passion is internet marketing. I really love speaking to people. I really love teaching people concepts and stuff that work. And I love getting them to take action. Like you, Michael Bohannon, you're going to kick butt here, all right? Because you're going to take action. For example, some of my affiliates are already making money. Christopher Pinnock, if you're on, awesome man. Jeff Lee, Rishi, Colin Cares, Colin Calverda. Dude, awesome. So you're all producing results. And there's no better feeling than having some people who learn from you actually achieve success using selling systems online, right? And the fact that I can leverage these systems and they can leverage these systems, and the great thing is it's you're building an affiliate team too. So I do get a kickback from the company's pocket to get people in and start promoting and making money. So it's in my best interest to make sure that all of you succeed, because if you succeed, then I succeed. And so it's just a win-win. And so you can see, you want something like that in place. You don't want to just send traffic to a sales letter or a sales video, right? You're probably going to get 1% sales, and it's most likely not going to be profitable unless it's priced at the correct price, probably like $197, because you're going to have to test and tweak and retarget and find the right people who are interested and who have actually engaged in your stuff, right? Which, by the way, we have training on retargeting and doing that stuff. So if you're interested, let me know. But with a scenario where it's a residual-based income stream, it's much better. And the fact that you're building a relationship with people and giving them value and teaching them stuff to get them to really like you, and you almost become kind of like, I would say, like an internet celebrity, but not really. In their eyes, you're somebody they want to be like. They want to achieve what you've achieved. So the goal is you provide enough value to get them to decide to work with you to achieve what you've achieved. And Mark and I have that system. We have it in place. All you have to do is ask for it. And if you want to set up a time to talk on the phone or something, I'm always available. Not really always. Sometimes I'm sleeping, so don't be surprised if I'm sleeping. But anyway, with that, I hope you have an awesome night or day wherever you are. I just wanted to give you some of those golden nuggets, because really people think like solo ads are saturated, but the fact is, if you have the right offer and you have the right funnel, solo ads are still very effective. Facebook ads, paid ads, YouTube ads, Instagram, all that stuff is very effective if you have the right stuff in place. So with that, this has been AJ. Take care.